The scaled quail is a fascinating bird species that captivates birders with its distinctive appearance and behavior. Often referred to as the blue quail due to its bluish-gray hue, this bird is found in the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. In this video, we'll dive into the world of the scaled quail, covering their range, habitat, identification, and a few interesting facts. Unlike other quail species, scaled quails prefer open, semi-arid grasslands, scrublands, and desert environments. You can often spot them in areas with sparse vegetation, mesquite, sagebrush, and yucca. They are well adapted to life in these harsh, dry conditions. When identifying scaled quails, their name gives them a great clue. They have distinctive scale-like feather patterns on their breast and belly, which appear like rows of overlapping scales. Their back is more muted brown, helping them blend into their surroundings. One of the most recognizable features is their unique, creamy white crest that looks like a bit of cotton tuft atop their head, although sometimes this is kind of hard to see. Compared to other quail species, scaled quails have a more slender build and lack the dramatic plumes seen on many species like the Gambel's quail. They are ground dwellers, spending much of their time foraging on the ground for seeds, insects, and green vegetation. In the wild, they can often be spotted running rather than flying, as they prefer to escape predators by darting quickly across the landscape. If needed, though, they can fly for a short period of time. Scaled quails are highly social birds and are often found in small groups called coveys. They rely on the safety of numbers by sticking together in coveys, which can include up to 30 individuals. This social structure helps them stay alert to predators such as hawks, coyotes, and snakes, which are common threats in their desert habitats. The breeding season for the scaled quail typically begins in the spring, and they build shallow nests on the ground, often hidden under shrubs or dense grasses. The female lays between 9 and 16 eggs, which are incubated for around 21 days. The chicks are able to leave the nest shortly after hatching and can follow their parents in search of food within hours of hatching. Scaled quails are a unique and iconic bird in the arid southwestern United States and northern Mexico, perfectly adapted to thrive in harsh desert conditions. If you find yourself in their range, listen for their sharp calls and keep an eye out for the quick movement of a small covey darting through the desert scrub.